Hi, this is Jessie with Streetfire Designs. Today I'm going to show you how to add a signature to Microsoft Outlook version 2013, or even some of the later versions this should apply to. To get started, go ahead and open up your Outlook inbox, and from there I'm going to show you a way to set up a signature with an image in it so that your image doesn't get skewed. Sometimes when you put an image in through the standard methods, Outlook will actually enlarge the image and not let you shrink it down. So we're going to avoid that so that we get the proper image size in our signature. So that said, let's just go ahead and get started. Go ahead and just click the new email icon on the left side. Once that opens up, find your insert tab at the top, should be next to message, and click that. On your insert tab, there should be a picture icon right here. It's grayed out right now, so before we can click that, just put your cursor in the body section of the email. And as you see, that picture icon is now colored. We can click on it. And right now it's opening up my desktop. And basically you're just looking for the location of the signature image file you're going to be using, so that might be in a different folder, but in this case I've got the signature image on my desktop for easy access. I'm going to use my Streetfire Design signature for this test. Click Insert, and now you see that in the body. Now this image actually it imported correctly. It imported with the correct sizes. Let me show you a different one real quick here. Let me import a different image. Insert pictures. Use a different signature here. Alright, so this signature is actually larger than it's supposed to be. It's for some reason setting the image to a larger size than what the image actually is, causing it to look a little bit blurry. So we're going to just change that real quick. Click the image, and when you click it, there's like a bounding box around it, and you can drag the corners and just shrink it down a little bit. See, that looks about right, maybe just a little bit more. So when I click on this over here on the right, it says the height is about 1 inch, the width is about 4.05. Somewhere around there is probably what you want to keep this at, just to make it look less blurry than it does when it's enlarged. So once you have your image in there the way you want it, go ahead and click the image, and then right click with your mouse and click copy. Okay, and once that's done, we're going to actually start creating your signature. Up until this point we've just been sort of doing some image editing, if you will. So go back to the insert tab, get signature, and then click signatures under that. And right now I haven't created any, so it's not going to have anything in its history. I'm going to create new signature, type a name, just put my name, click OK. And once that's done, in the field below you can paste your text and your signatures. Since we already copied the image previous, what we're going to do is click in this large body area, right click with your mouse, and under paste options click the icon on the left. If you see the icon on the right, it actually says pasted picture, but if you do this it actually kind of messes up, so just use the paste icon on the left, and there we go. Now if you want to add text, you can just hit enter and go under your image. I've got some text in a notepad file here I'm going to copy. Just select all, copy, go back to my signature and paste that. Now usually what I'll do so the message isn't so prominent is I'll gray it out so that it doesn't take precedence over whatever your email is. So just select the text, and this third drop down has colors in it, and I'm going to select a light gray color, about like that. And once that's done, just review it, make sure everything looks the way you want it to. Up here at the top right, you're going to want to select a signature to use when you create new messages or replies. So just drop that down, select the name of the signature, and then click OK. Alright, so now we're back at the screen where we were editing the image. That doesn't really matter anymore, just X that out, close it, save changes, no. And now I'm going to create a new email and test this. So I'm going to email myself. And as you see, as soon as we popped open the email box, our new signature is already showing up. Alright, so I'm just going to hit send. We'll go to my other email address. And there it is. And our signature looks pretty good. So that's how you add a signature in Microsoft Outlook. If you have any questions, please just let me know.